Howdy YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have. And also I'll leave their website. You guys can check them out. We got Prime Day, big deal days going on now. Then we got Cyber Monday, Black Friday, Cyber Monday. And then Santa Claus will be here. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Let's take a look inside and what you guys could get. Ooh, baby. Do. Ooh. ToBeNone. USB-C docking station. Whoa. That's pretty cool. You got your Ethernet, USB ports, HDMI, USB, something else. We'll find out once we open it. So now's the time to get some techie stuff. They got a lot of great deals going on for the Prime Big Deal Days. Definitely check out ToBeNone. ToBeNone. We got the USB cable right here. Right there. For MacBooks. I think laptops also. This is pretty cool. Gotta love the new technology that's coming out. There we go. Here we go. Now let's take a look at the device. Ooh. Ooh la la. Look at that. Zoom out. Here we go. ToBeNone. Here's the main ports. You got PD, host, HDMI, USB 3.0, USB 3.0, Ethernet. You got the non-slip guard, so it won't be slotted. Right there. ToBeNone. Okay, it kind of turns. Whoa. Is it going to pop up? What is it going to do? I'm scared. Aha. Okay, not scared. I figured it out. I think that's it. As far as it could go. That's pretty cool. Let me grab something. Alright guys, then you can have it like this way. Super extendo. That's pretty cool. Look at this. It swivels. So very nice. And you can just throw your MacBook something. Hook that up. Got the wire here hooked up. HDMI, you can run it off your TV. An extra monitor. But really nice to have one of these around. My new stuff is coming in this week, so I did some shopping, picking up on some new electronics, laptops and all that good stuff. So this will be my new thing I'll be working on. Excellent though. Really smooth. Looks nice. ToBeNone. Check them out. Here we go. This is what it looks like. I got that plugged in. I just gotta charge up this little guy. And of course, if you need these, they got them also. It's a GON power adapter, wall charger. I just gotta plug her in and charge this up for a minute. But you can see this thing is ready to go. Looks good too. And you can always adjust it, having it lower. It all depends on how you want to have it. Simple, easy to use, but really cool. I'm gonna hook it up to that monitor right there with the HDMI once I charge this thing up, and we'll see it how it looks on the screen. Right now they got the Prime Day big deal going on, 17% off. Click that link down below. And also, like I said, check out their website too. They'll have Cyber Monday deals, Black Friday deals going on throughout this holiday rush. So definitely check it out though. Look at that. So really cool. I'll be right back. And there we go. We got the trifecta going. You can see it right there. Sale. Take advantage of it now. Pick them up. They fit Pro, Air, Dell, HP, Surface, Lenovo, Detachable, 4K HDMI, 2 USB 3.0s, RJ45 PD 3.0, universal laptop dock, rotating base. Pretty cool. And like I said, that thing is charging up right now. I don't know if you guys can see it. There we go, look at that. Blue light is on. Right down there. Bada boom. Check them out. ToBeNone. You guys be safe. Have a good night. Take it easy.